Hey guys, what's up? So the GPUs in Samsung phones have been inferior to their Snapdragon counterparts for a long time now, and we heard in the middle of 2019 that Samsung is partnering with AMD for mobile GPUs and that we may get AMD parts Samsung phones in 2021. Well, we are in the middle of 2020 and we've got benchmark results for the AMD GPU to be used in Samsung's Exynos processor. AMD is said to be in the process of optimizing the custom GPU, which may be integrated into the Exynos 1000 processor or whatever the next flagship processor from Samsung is called. Looking at the scores of the GPU powered by AMD RADEON architecture, it seems like the GPU surpasses the Adreno 650 GPU by about 15% with a score of 181.8 frames in the Manhattan 3.1 test. The chip also scored 132.25 frames in the Aztec normal and 58 frames in Aztec high. The Adreno 650 on the other hand scored 20 frames in Aztec high and 53 frames in Aztec normal. So a more than 100% improvement is seen with the AMD GPU. Moreover, Samsung and AMD are in the process of optimizing the chip, so we may see even better performance once it makes its way to the Galaxy S21. With these scores, it seems that the GPU will give a tough time to Qualcomm's next flagship GPU and may finally give something to look forward to for those Exynos markets. Samsung has also raised its custom Mongoose scores in favor of stock ARM CPU cores. Both the stock ARM CPU and the AMD GPU combined will make the Exynos 1000 SoC a powerhouse and on par with the Snapdragon 875 or even better than that. It finally gives Exynos users something to rejoice and I can't wait for 2021. We also know that there are some issues in the AMD GPU in terms of power consumption, but both the companies are positive that it's nothing major and can be fixed easily. Hopefully we will see this GPU in the S21. We also know that Samsung will start development on 5nm manufacturing process by the second half of this year. The Exynos 1000 SoC is bound to be manufactured on the 5nm process, which should give it better performance and enable lower power consumption compared to 7nm or even 6nm. Moving on, the Galaxy S20 Ultra in cloud white is on sale in China and up for pre-order in Europe. So if you were looking for a different color, then you have it now. Also, the cloud white variant should be available globally in the near future. The Galaxy Z Flip's camera has gotten a DxOMark score of 105 in the rating, which puts it in direct line to 2018 flagships. The Galaxy S9 Plus and the Note 9 scoring 100 and 103 points respectively for the same tests. The camera shouldn't be a factor in buying this phone anyway, but you now know that at least the camera is good enough for casual use. And Samsung is still the world's largest smartphone manufacturer. The latest data points that their Q1 shipments amounted to 58.3 million units, which is 19% less compared to the same period last year. But the smartphone industry as a whole had less demand by approximately 55.6 million units, and you know why. That is it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button. It hardly takes a second. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.